So we're working on a Samsung refrigerator. You can see the seal, the gaps. And you can always put a bill, dollar bill, whatever. And if you can remove it pretty easily, then you have a gap which will allow air to be sucked into your refrigerator, and that can also cause it to ice up. So this one had a little situation with the lower right fresh food door. We had to remove the door, as you can see, and it was rubbing on the freezer door. So I had to tap it just a few times with a hammer, and that raised it up about 1/4 of an inch or so. It was pretty leaning, and that was causing the door to tilt, which would make a gap in the seal. So after that, put the door back on, and it came out pretty well. That was a scratch from the freezer door. Those were some of the gaps. And this is about a 2-month-old video, so I've touched base with the customer and no issue. So I call it a fixed. So just pay attention to your door seal. It's very important. And always check those before you assume the worst. Make sure your door is level. Thanks for watching.